guys. So we continue with the build. So this is the headline one. We move on to the headline two. So we want to refactor this guy right here to get our headline two. So it's going to be headline widget. So headline widgets. So the headline widget, we will need certain things. We need to take certain things off. We're going to be label needs to be of label. We take this guy away, label string. String label string. Why am I getting that error here? Okay, take the const away, put the const there again. And then we need a final, that's icons data, that's label icon. You can put it right here. That is label icon. Label icon. Icons data. Okay, right. Argument type. Okay. Alright, so then I'm good to go now. Let's add this guy too. So for icon label string is going to be this guy, and then label icon with icons dot wp sign, and we got the same result. So we have to copy the same thing to here. Down here, which is going to be the headline 2. Capabilities, right? It should be kappa. It's not going to be of the sun, it's going to be of electric. And save it. Good. We need to see I'll give you a 30. Push it all the way down. Yeah. So over here we won't have something simple, which is going to be of buttons. Let me see, home buttons, like home. Yeah, they're not buttons actually, but they look like a button. But you see, so all you use home cards. Home cards. So we won't have something of container. It's going to look like the buttons, the quick action buttons, but quite different. So let me see. It's going to be of a container. Let's see if we can copy certain things over there. It's going to be of a container, the same margin, the same pattern. So we can copy this guy and change things over there. So like, let's copy it here and see what we can change. You see what we can change over here. So we're going to do this. Problem that there's nothing more, right? So yeah, so you can do it like this and see then you see the difference. Alright, it's actually the same thing, but it's not having the on press. That is what we wanted to go with. Take this away. Save it. Still get the same thing. We don't have the on press. So with this one we have to refactor it to get something simple, so it becomes easier for us to work. Alright, so it is going to be called home card. Home card. So home card, we will need to take away this guy. We call it label string. Label string. So we have here final string. So label string. close this guy, come here, label string, give it. Label string will be one will be remember what user said earlier in conversation. Let's copy this guy. Sorry. Key height 10. Should be of 30. So another one is allow user to provide follow up directions. And finally we have train to decline inappropriate request. Let's save it and see what we got. Bang, bingo, good. So this is what we got right here, guys, as you can see. So finally we need to add the last options, which is from the capabilities. This capability, right? Well, I'm a bit confused right now. Let's see. So from capabilities we go to limitations here. Limitations. We go to limitations. Good. Limitations. So headline again. It's going to be of headline 3. It's going to be limitations. Limitations is to have error. Outline. And then save it. So it's also going to have this constant card. First of all, it's limited knowledge. Third knowledge. World and events after 2021. So that is something ChatGPT cannot do. Stuff ChatGPT may not do. So may occasionally produce harmful instructions or bias content. And finally, may occasionally generate incorrect information. Save it and bang, guys, saved with no error. So when we scroll, All right, guys. So we have a problem here. We have a problem here with this thing. I have to work this thing out. Make sure I work this thing out. Home card. Inside the card is this. Let me see. So right now, the problem is coming from that guy, and also this guy. I give it a margin of horizontal 50. So let me give it a 40. 40. A bit stretched. A bit stretched would make everything be okay somehow. I wanted to make sure that like the text will come down. So okay. I can put a container here and then give it a width. And with that width, I'm sure it will be controlled. Because the text I'm sure because the text is not in a it's not in a container, that is why. You can test it by doing this and see. Let's give it container with width. Let's give it 100 and see. Good. So you see clear. See. It's funded, so we'll give it 200. Text and center. So you see it's kind of like working for me now. So we're gonna give it a 250. 250 might be quite a lot. We'll give it 250. Let's put it like that. Save it. Let's still give it a problem. Still give it a problem. Save this guy. And it's like this. Alright. So you for now, I'm just leave it like this for now. And then like come back to it and fix it very, very well next time. Wow, 12 minutes gone already. Alright guys, so far so good. We've been able to work these things out. Let's put them in one and say home. Yeah, so main chat widgets, import material, register, put them here. So gone. Yes, good. Everyone is good, right? Good. So the next thing we have to do is this is the body, this is the expanded. And inside expanded there is a container, right? Remove unnecessary. You have a child, first child here. So we would want to come up with a drawer. Let's come up with a drawer widget at the moment. So the drawer widget. Alright guys, so with the drawer widget, it's quite simple. By default, Flutter has a drawer widget. So drawer is going to be of drawer widget. We're going to have a drawer. Look at a width. Okay, first let me give the child. It's going to be a drawer widget, which would be good right now. So it's going to be of a container. It's going to be of a drawer widget. It's going to be a stateless widget. Drawer widget. Good. So right now, what we have to do is make sure when you click here, we get the drawer will slide in and then slide out. So what we'll have to do is come back to main. Let me make sure this icon, this splash. So when you click, you don't get that thing in game. So let's add a global key to this guy. Let's add a global key. Final global key. So we have scaffold state. Scaffold key is going to be equal to global key scaffold state. I'm guessing this cannot define constant. Take it away. Good. So we're saying global key scaffold state. Alright. So don't give it here a key. So underscore scaffold key. Going to be underscore scaffold key. And then when you unclick there, when you unclick this guy, you're going to have underscore scaffold key dot current state dot open drawer. You're going to have check, make sure it is not. Save it. I get an error somewhere. Yes, constant. Okay, let me this away. It's no more constant. So we come back to the menu and then save it. Get another. Okay, try performing a hot restart. Okay. Alright, so the hot restart is done. Let's click. Okay, bang guys, it's showing now. Okay, so it's time to work on it's time to work on the drawer side of the application. Let's be fast with this thing. It's like a delay a bit. Right guys, so first of all, I'll have a safe area with column. With a column, right? With a column. A column with columns with children. So the children will be first of all have a new chat button. The new chat button is going to be a button whereby you click and then it's going to open a new conversation. So decoration, box decoration is going to be border. Border, that's all colors dot gray shade 100 with width of 0.3. Save it. And when we see it at the moment, we have to give it a border radius dot circle radius circle dot 4. Save it and we can check. We don't see anything at the moment because the container is not even a child, so we can give it a child by this. So this style it's a widget from Flutter. So leading will be an icons dot and title will be text. That's new chat and your style will be k9 text 9. Now copy with Okay, let's import this guy first. Import it. Copy with color. Let's white. Save it. And when you see, you can see the difference over here right now. But we need to give this guy a background color. Yeah, the door has a background color, so we can give it a background. Well, background color will be primary black. Let's save it. Okay. Alright. Draw. But we just take gray. I can't see anything around it. Okay, so we would work on that later. Let's focus on these guys. Let's give this. Let's wrap this guy in a container. So I can give it a padding. Margin set or 10. Save it. And you can see there's a padding around it, and you can see the border. Size is 20, right? Size is 20 and color is white. It's white. So I can save it. Save it. And bang, this is what we have. List style has this unpressed thing, so unpressed will be much more easier to just click on it and start working. To start working. So we have to have the conversation list. Let's conversation list. Conversations list will be an expanded widget. Let me put the container here. This will be an expanded widget, and then it will have a divider, and we'll have another for a divider, then we'll have another one which is going to be the more options. Okay, so the divider would have sized box width. It's going to be media query dot of context. Media query dot of context size will give you the size of the screen. Like media query will give you that, like this this whole thing will give you the total size of the screen, like the total width of the screen. So times 0.7. I want 0.7 of it. Then the child should be a divider. Thickness should be 0.3. And color should be white 60. Save this guy here. Maybe save it. Let's see. You can't see the divider at the moment, but we should see it, but we can't find it. All right, so let's continue. We'll definitely get to see the divider. So let me work on the column side. We've got the column side. The more options side. The more options is column. The children of list star. The list star is leading, which is the icons. Let's delete. Size is 20. Right, size is 20, and then title is text of clear conversations. We give a star of K8. Let's see what we can see. Let's click to see. Alright, so it's showing down here, which is quite okay. It's showing down here, so we have to make sure that all the text are copy with. save it, and click on it again, and you can see here. So you have to give this guy to the same thing over here. This guy pink, and you can save it. Good. So we can copy we can copy this guy several times and then make sure it's easy. So we can refactor this guy to more 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 options. More option. So more option will let's label string final string label string and final icon 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 data need to be label icon. So label string is this guy and icons will be this guy. So icon label with this guy. So save and see the results. So as you can see, it's still the same. So we have about 5 of them. So let's add them. Let me add it quickly and then come back. So that is the so for first one is clear conversation. The next one is the mood. Dark mood. Dark mood is dark mood. Then we come to the next one, which is difficult. Which is OpenAI Discord. Okay, they have a Discord channel where I've joined. So just all right. Here's another one, which is updates and FAQ, which is update. So I just give it an update here. Then we have sign out. Finally, is it log out or log out here? That is no log out. Good. So let's save it and see the difference. All right, guys. So as you can see, we are bit by bit finishing this thing and then making sure we crash the thing we are working with. So with that being said, I'm going to end here in this section. I just want to make sure I break this video into chunks so that we all get the better of it. With that being said, see you guys in my next and final video.